Tuambie jina yako na labda how you feel about the World Tourism Week.
My name is Mary Gadomiroko. I am very happy to be in Mombasa. Tourism Week has enabled me to come and visit this entire place. It's such a gorgeous place. I love even the activities that are going to be there. I'm so grateful even to the sponsors. It has really been a pleasure.
Have you ever been in this kind of activity before?
Imagine, I've never.
And what are your expectations?
I'm expecting to visit the different cultures, the different foods that are there, mangrove restoration, and even to help clean areas around the beach.
Yeah, what do you say about the sponsor?
We are so grateful. You have enabled me to visit this place, to go through the SGR, and you have provided for me a very beautiful accommodation.
Okay, what do you tell the people who are not here today?
You people, you are really missing. You are really missing it. You should be here.